After the age of 50, you will see obvious changes in your body. You gradually age, your organ functions decrease, and you often get diseases caused by environmental factors. Old age diseases gradually appear, such as cardiovascular disease, bone and joint disease, diabetes, blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, and memory loss. You will also realize that wounds take a long time to heal, and your body needs more time to recover. These are warning signs that you need to take care of your health in old age. Fortunately, in your daily diet, there are many foods that can improve your health problems after the age of 50. One of them is apple cider vinegar, a food that is considered a miracle drug for health and beauty. Let's find out the benefits that apple cider vinegar brings to you, especially what will happen if you drink apple cider vinegar regularly before going to bed. A quick note: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Let's start with the first benefit of apple cider vinegar. Let's go! 1. Boost your energy. When you start your day, you may feel tired and sluggish. However, a simple method you can try is to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your bedtime routine. From a medical perspective, apple cider vinegar has the ability to stimulate the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, in the body, the energy needed to function vigorously. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar not only helps stabilize blood sugar, but also prevents energy drops overnight. According to a recent study in 2020, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed has been shown to increase energy the next day. Try drinking apple cider vinegar tonight and experience the energy boost when you wake up tomorrow. However, always consult your doctor or nutritionist before making any dietary changes. Let us take care of your health and well-being every day, accompanying you on the path to optimal health. 2. Helps regulate blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is often recommended by experts as a natural way to control blood sugar, especially for people with diabetes who are insulin resistant. Recent research has shown that this natural elixir has a positive effect on maintaining blood health and reducing sugar levels throughout the night. A 2013 study demonstrated that drinking apple cider vinegar before bed helped reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is thought to play a role by enhancing the efficiency of glucose uptake by the body's cells. New research in 2020 found that drinking apple cider vinegar after meals also helps control blood sugar levels after meals, preventing spikes the next morning. These findings highlight the benefits of incorporating apple cider vinegar into your evening routine to help maintain balanced blood sugar levels. So drinking a glass of water mixed with a little apple cider vinegar before bed will help stabilize blood sugar throughout the night. It also improves the sensitivity of cells to insulin, helping your body move more glucose out of your blood and into your cells, thereby reducing blood sugar levels. For the best treatment of diabetes, people with diabetes should use apple cider vinegar regularly. Dilute 15 ml of apple cider vinegar, especially organic apple cider vinegar. This amount will be equivalent to 750 mg of acetic acid. In addition, to receive the effects of apple cider vinegar, healthy people can also use diluted apple cider vinegar every day. You can combine apple cider vinegar with honey and warm water to improve your health. However, you should only use a sufficient amount, dilute it, and use it regularly to get the best results. 3. Support the digestive process. If you feel tired due to bloating and discomfort after a heavy meal, this is interesting news for you. Apple cider vinegar contains enzymes and amino acids along with beneficial bacteria that bring many benefits to the digestive system. Specifically, it helps to destroy all harmful bacteria in the intestines. These bacteria are one of the causes of diarrhea, bloating, and intestinal cramps. In addition, the enzymes in vinegar will speed up digestion. In addition, organic apple cider vinegar is also beneficial for people with food allergies. Vinegar also contains valuable minerals and trace elements. Pectin in apple cider vinegar has the effect of lowering LDL cholesterol and burning fat. The effects of acetic acid, malic acid in apple cider vinegar help fight viruses. In addition, the effects of apple cider vinegar also come from live enzymes, amino acids, and many other nutrients. In fact, many people use apple cider vinegar before protein-rich meals to improve digestion, because the theory is that apple cider vinegar increases the acid concentration in your stomach. Then the body will produce more pepsin to help break down proteins. According to an article published in the International Journal of Obesity in 2023, it was found that apple cider vinegar can improve gastric emptying thick, helping your stomach empty faster. This can prevent uncomfortable feelings of fullness and promote a healthier digestive system. By using a small dose of apple cider vinegar before going to bed, you can boost your digestive system and wake up feeling refreshed and light. You can stimulate your digestive system, promote food absorption by drinking apple cider vinegar. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a large amount of water. For the best effect of apple cider vinegar, you should drink it about 15 minutes before your main meal. 4. Helps control weight. If you are overweight and want to lose weight actively, consider using apple cider vinegar. The effect of organic apple cider vinegar is to support weight loss and maintain a beautiful figure. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has been shown to help prevent the accumulation of fat in the body and liver lipids. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps suppress your appetite, thereby boosting metabolism and reducing water retention. The pectin content of apple cider vinegar also limits the body's ability to absorb fat. Scientists also hypothesize that apple cider vinegar hinders the metabolism of starch in the body. This leads to a decrease in the amount of calories entering the blood. Therefore, many people take advantage of this principle to lose weight with apple cider vinegar. To lose weight with apple cider vinegar, you can combine vinegar with ginger, honey, black beans, etc. A glass of water mixed with apple cider vinegar, ginger, and honey will bring significant benefits in your weight loss process. However, you need to note that weight loss methods by drinking apple cider vinegar are not sustainable ways to lose weight. This method is only based on some activities of apple cider vinegar on a healthy body. We still need more scientific support for the weight loss effects of apple cider vinegar on many other health conditions. You should not drink pure apple cider vinegar. This can cause stomach ulcers. Absolutely do not apply weight loss with apple cider vinegar to patients with cardiovascular disease and blood pressure. Pregnant and lactating women should not apply this method. 5. Helps strengthen the immune system. At the age of 50, the immune system declines significantly, and the intestines are a large part of the body's immune system. While drinking apple cider vinegar can help facilitate the growth of beneficial bacteria, thereby helping to improve your overall immunity. The malic acid in apple cider vinegar is also a powerful antiviral agent. This is probably one of the reasons why people who drink apple cider vinegar often have fewer colds than usual. In addition, pure apple cider vinegar is said to be beneficial for your lymphatic system. This is thanks to the effect of cleaning the lymph nodes and breaking down mucus in the body. Over time, it can help you relieve nasal congestion, reduce colds, and reduce allergies. So use a moderate amount of apple cider vinegar regularly before going to bed to strengthen your body's immunity. 6. Treat constipation, heartburn, and intestinal problems. Using apple cider vinegar with water helps to regulate the acid concentration in the stomach to a low level. Thanks to that, apple cider vinegar has the effect of reducing heartburn. The fiber in apples helps to soothe the entire digestive tract. Thanks to this effect of apple cider vinegar, people use apple cider vinegar to prevent stomach pain, bloating, and free gas. Apple cider vinegar can also be useful as a mild laxative to stimulate bowel movements in case you are often constipated. However, you need to note that apple cider vinegar has a quite strong effect, especially for people with heartburn and people with stomach ulcers. Therefore, you should dilute it before drinking apple cider vinegar. Absolutely do not drink it if you have stomach ulcers. 7. Helps reduce blood pressure. Supporting blood pressure is the effect of apple cider vinegar that few people know. Some studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can reduce blood pressure. At the same time, many reports on online forums also mention this use of apple cider vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar has the ability to lower blood pressure, possibly due to its effect of increasing the production of nitric oxide. This substance helps relax blood vessels and has a positive effect on the cardiovascular system. Over time, this will lead to lower blood pressure for people with high blood pressure. 8. Detoxifying the liver. Apple cider vinegar is also a common ingredient in detox recipes. The benefits of apple cider vinegar come from its nutritional components. In addition to all the other cleansing benefits listed, drinking diluted apple cider vinegar is said to detoxify the body and detoxify the liver, balance pH, clean white blood cells, stimulate the cardiovascular system. A spoonful of apple cider vinegar mixed with a large glass of water is usually an effective and reasonable daily dose for most people. Some detox methods may require you to use larger doses, but it is best to gradually increase the dosage over time. 9. Beautify the skin. Apple cider vinegar is popular with women because it has many beauty benefits. This type of vinegar is a great home cosmetic for women's skin and hair. Most of the basic problems related to your look can be improved by the miraculous effects of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps smooth skin, shrink pores, and reduce oil on the skin. Reduce oil on the skin. In addition, the effects of apple cider vinegar can treat acne, nourish the skin, and restore sunburned skin. Apple cider vinegar is a healthy product. It is not a miracle that can cure all kinds of diseases, as some people believe. But it will definitely bring you some important health benefits, especially for blood sugar and weight control. When applied to the skin, apple cider vinegar may not be safe for your skin. Applying apple cider vinegar to the skin can cause burns in some people. 10th, treat bad breath with apple cider vinegar. The natural acids in apple cider vinegar, such as acidic and malic acids, can reduce bacteria that cause bad breath. To take advantage of the effects of apple cider vinegar to treat bad breath, you can apply the following method. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 1/3 of a cup of water. Then swish it around for about 20 seconds to reduce the odor. 11th, apple cider vinegar prevents Candida infections. A surprising benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it helps reduce Candida infections. This is a common and difficult problem for people who eat a high-sugar diet. Apple cider vinegar contains beneficial acids that help improve the composition of your gut. Apple cider vinegar includes acetic acid and malic acid. These have antibacterial, antibiotic, antifungal properties and can help control the spread of Candida in the gut. 12th, reduce acid reflux. If you are struggling with acid reflux and have trouble getting a good night's sleep, don't worry. We have some exciting news for you. Recent research has shown that consuming apple cider vinegar before bed can help reduce acid reflux. Let me walk you through this interesting process and the compounds involved. According to a study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Integrative Medicine in 2021, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to have antibacterial properties. This means that apple cider vinegar can help kill harmful bacteria in your stomach, preventing them from causing acid reflux. Furthermore, another study from the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacological Research in 2022 revealed that apple cider vinegar can increase the production of stomach acid. Surprisingly, this can benefit people with acid reflux by helping to maintain a balanced pH in the stomach, preventing acid from refluxing into the esophagus. 14. Stress reliever. If you're feeling stressed and looking for a natural way to help you relax before bed, you don't have to go far. A recent study on apple cider vinegar, conducted in 2022 entitled "The Effects of Apple Cider Vinegar on Stress," has shown promising results regarding the calming effects of apple cider vinegar on stress. The magic lies in the compound found in apple cider vinegar, acetic acid, which has been shown to have a positive effect on stress levels. Acetic acid helps regulate the body's stress response by affecting neurotransmitters such as serotonin and gamma-aminobutyric acid. These neurotransmitters play an important role in promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety when consumed beforehand. Apple cider vinegar can help relieve stress and promote calmness. Many believe that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar contributes to a calm environment, which promotes peaceful sleep. So, why not try using apple cider vinegar tonight? 15. Improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar has become popular for its potential benefits for heart health. Research has shown that consuming apple cider vinegar before bed can have a positive impact on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods in 2018 found that consuming apple cider vinegar helped reduce cholesterol in rats. Researchers found that apple cider vinegar supplementation led to significant reductions in cholesterol and triglyceride levels, promoting a healthy lipid profile. These improvements may reduce the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular complications. In addition, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to help regulate blood pressure. A study published in the American Journal of Hypertension in 2019 also demonstrated that consuming vinegar, including apple cider vinegar, caused a reduction in blood pressure. However, the exact mechanism behind these benefits remains to be determined. But substances in apple cider vinegar, such as polyphenols and antioxidants, are likely to play an important role in improving cardiovascular health. Notes on drinking apple cider vinegar before bed. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed may bring some health benefits such as weight loss, improving the digestive system, and lowering blood sugar. However, you should also note the following. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water to reduce acidity and protect teeth. Do not drink concentrated apple cider vinegar directly because it can damage tooth enamel and the digestive system. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can lower blood sugar, so do not. You should use it if you have eaten little or nothing for a long time before. If you have a stomach problem or are taking stomach-related medications, consult your doctor before using apple cider vinegar. Do not drink too much apple cider vinegar before going to bed. Only about 1-2 teaspoons diluted in a glass of water is enough. If you have sensitive skin or are allergic to apple cider vinegar, avoid using this product. Use natural apple cider vinegar without preservatives or colorants to ensure health safety. Drinking apple cider vinegar before going to bed is a way to improve health and beauty, especially for women, such as supporting weight loss, increasing resistance, helping you have a balanced figure and good sleep after a long day of work. However, these benefits can only be achieved when using the product properly and in safe doses. If you have any concerns or questions about using apple cider vinegar, please consult your nutritionist for the best advice. Always take care of your health with caution and understanding. If you find the video interesting, please give a like and a share. Please subscribe to the channel to watch the next videos.